Welcome to day 26 JavaScript question. Today we will be solving flatten deeply nested array. We are given an array that might contain some numbers or another array. Also we are given an integer n and we need to return the flattened array up to the depth n. So in this case we have n equals 0, so we do not do any flattening and return the array itself. In the second example we have n equals to 1, so this is the level 0, this is the level 1. So we flatten up to the level 1. So 4, 5 and 6 is flattened, 7, 8 is also flattened, but this is at level 2. So we do not do flattening for 9, 10 and 11. It is present as array itself, and 12, 13 and 14 again at level 1, so we do flattening for it. Looking at the structure of array, we can think of a recursive solution because each array either contains a number or another array which might contain a number or another array and so on. So let's start. Let's create a result array. As we are going to use recursion, so let's create a recursive function and we will call it helper. It will take the array and the depth. We will iterate over the array and we will check if the current value is a number or another array. So we will check if array.isArray value. In this case, we will call the helper function again and we will pass the array and the depth by increasing 1. And if it is not an array, then we push it to the result. But we also need to check if the depth is less than the given n or not before calling the helper for the nested array. If it is an array but the depth is not less than n, in that case we won't be calling the helper function, we will be just pushing the array to the result. So we will add a AND condition here and it should be depth should be less than n. So after the function we will call it helper and we will pass the initial array and the initial depth will be 0, and in the end we need to return the result. And I did a typo here, it should be val and here it should be val not array because we are checking the element of the given array. And let's submit it and it works. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such content. See ya.